Hi, I'm Suzanne Bontempo, Program Manager for Our Water, Our World, and an IPM educator. Rats in the garden can be no fun. Rats and mice are known to find desirable shelters in brush piles, wood piles, compost piles, dense landscape shrubs, ivy, and so forth. The first step is to reduce their habitat with a well-maintained garden, which will help with rodent management. Remove their food source. If they're getting into your vegetable beds, the raised beds and such, consider exclusion strategies by placing exclusion baskets over your vegetables. These exclusion baskets are made with 1/4-inch hardware cloth to prevent their access to your plants. Keep lids on garbage cans and secure them so that rodents cannot access them. Consider removing bird feeders, since bird feeders can be an invitation, or mount bird feeders in such a way that make them inaccessible to rodents. Reduce pet food availability. If we need to feed our pets outdoors, then remove the pet food once our pets have finished eating. Traps can be very effective. However, be mindful to not trap non-targeted critters such as dogs, cats, birds, and lizards. For more information on managing rats in your garden, you can check out the ourwaterourworld.org website and find fact sheets like this. Thanks so much and have a great day.